without me. Don't leave without me.
Yo, what is up, chat? So today we are gonna do a coding tutorial on Roblox. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna teach you guys how you guys can make your own games. All right. Yo, what's up? Adam is random. Hi, cool Johnny boy. Welcome back. So yes, I am back. Told you guys I was gonna stream today. So yeah, let me get into Roblox Studio. So if we go to Roblox, if you guys don't have Studio right now, after getting hacked, yeah, that was a prank. I didn't actually get hacked, okay? That was a prank. But yeah, so if you click on this button right here, it says create, okay? This tutorial is for beginners, okay? So you click on create, and if you don't have Studio, you can go ahead and download it. So it says get started, get Roblox Studio. This is only for Windows computers, so like Windows 10, Windows 11, and Mac. Okay, so if you have an Apple computer, you can get Roblox Studio. If you have a Chromebook, you can't get Studio, but you can get Roblox because a Chromebook basically is like an Android. Okay, you only can get whatever's on Google Play Store. So yeah, make sure you guys get like a Windows or Apple computer. Yes, Joey, it is 11:30. I know. I'm just doing a tutorial. I got home like a few minutes ago. So yeah. Alright, so you'll see this button right here. It'll say create experience. If you don't have any games, so these are all your games. If you have no games at all, you're gonna click this blue button right here that says create experience. If someone gave you like also W for upgrade, you're welcome. So if somebody gave you like access to their game, you're gonna click on this button. It says shared with me. All right, so my experiences and shared with me. So this is if your friends invite you. So yeah, if people invite you, you can see all their games. And you can edit. If they give you edit access, you can also edit other people's games. So yeah. So you're gonna click on my experiences, okay? If your game gets deleted, so like say someone deletes your game, if they click on archive and delete your game, you can still bring your game back. So you click on this button right here. It says show archive. All right, so you click on this. Yo, what's up, JCat Brianus? Welcome to the stream. So these are the deleted games, okay? So if your game gets deleted, you click on these three dots and you click restore, okay? You click restore, your game will get undeleted. All right, it'll come back. How did I ended up getting mod? Is probably because when I think when I did try not to laugh, if you were in my stream for try not to laugh, I gave everyone mods so they could send links, okay? So if you got mod, it's probably because so you can send links, okay? So yeah, that's how you bring back your deleted games. So yeah, let's get started. We're gonna click this blue button. It says create experience. And once we open up Studio, if you don't have it, click that button that says download Studio. It takes a few minutes, and then we're gonna get into the video. You are welcome. So the basic thing that you need to know about Roblox scripting is, so you have to know what properties are. Okay, so basically scripting uses properties. You have to know what parent and children are. So parent is like the main item, and then children is whatever items are below the main item. Okay? Did you go to McDonald's yet for breakfast? No, because I don't really eat breakfast that much. I usually eat lunch and dinner. I eat breakfast occasionally, but not all the time. So yeah. But yeah, I think McDonald's has very good breakfast because they have like pancakes, biscuits. What my favorite thing for breakfast is like a sausage and egg biscuit. So yeah. Yes, I usually skip breakfast. I just go straight to lunch. So yeah, you gotta know what parent, children, and you have to know what properties are. Those are the most important things. Sometimes do you feel like I sometimes don't have breakfast? Yeah, sometimes I don't feel like having breakfast, so I just skip it. Okay, so now we should be in our game. So yeah, this is basically Roblox Studio is so you can make your own games. Um, so now once you open up Studio, you're gonna be on the Home tab. You're gonna find a template. All right. So if you want to make your game from scratch, okay, if you want to make your game from scratch, there's these three templates right here. So this is flat terrain. I hate terrain. I'm just gonna be honest here. I hate terrain because like you literally have to sculpt it. Okay, it's like there's no like base parts or anything like that. You have to like sculpt it with like a terrain editor. So if you're more experienced in like making maps, then I think flat terrain would be best for you. But if you want to make houses and stuff like that and you're not worried about terrain, then you might want to click one of these two. This one right here, classic base plate, has no spawn, okay? There's no spawn point in there. I saw that you played Geometry Dash. Yes, I have. I have played Geometry Dash. Sometimes I suck at it, but I'm getting better at it. So yeah, I have a computer virus because he will stop, but it didn't work. Um, make sure you like do a virus scan. Make sure your computer don't have viruses, because that would be bad. Um, I am sad couldn't see your VIP live streams. You mean my member streams? So yeah, if you want to see my member streams, you can get membership for as low as $1. So it's only 99 cents. Um, so yeah, this is Studio. So I do have some plugins. But yeah, when you first open up Studio, you're gonna see this, okay? So this is like the game, all right? So this window that says place one is the game. This window right here is your output. So whenever you run a script or if you publish, it's going to send a message here. If your script is not working, how do you make the super chats? So there's like a dollar icon right next. So the super chats, there's a dollar thing right next to the message. You click super chat and you can choose your amount and you just type a message and you click buy and send, and that's how you do a super chat. Um, However, I do not choose the price. I don't choose the price for super chats. I only choose the price for memberships, okay? So memberships, I chose how many subs do you at least need for it? You need 1,000. 1,000 subs, but you also need like 3,000 or 4,000 watch hours. So yeah, you need a lot of watch hours, but you only need 1,000 subs. Okay, that's the requirements. Um, so yeah, this is your output. So if your script breaks, it's gonna be red. Okay, so the text is gonna be red. It's gonna say what broke. Sometimes you can click on it and it will open the script for you. You do have 1,000, then you just need watch hours. You just need watch hours then. If you have 1,000, you just need watch hours. Um, but I'm not allowed to. That's okay. That's okay, Adam. You don't have to. Um, you also get this command line. What's cool about this is you can actually type commands here. See? So I can say game.players. I can kick or say like AEW or local player, and then I can say kick. All right, and then you can type in a message. All right. Um, have you seen Slaughterhouse by Ice Cave and Geometry Dash? Verified by Doggy. No, I haven't. I haven't seen that yet, but I'll look into it. Okay. So, all right, let's get into scripting. So, this is your Explorer. All right. This is like workspace, players, lightning, material, replicated first, replicated storage, all of this. These are actually important because this is where you're going to put all your parts, okay? Um, this is your properties, so this is how you change the properties. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So if I add a part in here, it's going to go in the workspace. So yeah, let me show you guys what parent and children is, okay? So a parent is the item. Well, workspace is technically a service. So we'll get into that later. But so basically a parent is the main item, okay? Children is what's underneath it. So like say if I put um if I put a point light, all right? So this point light right here, this is a children, okay? Or a child of the parent. Parent is part, okay? Um, Descendants, all right? Let me tell you guys what descendants are. So if I put an object inside of a children, that becomes a descendant, okay? So parent, children, and descendants, all right? Descendants is everything below the parent. So everything below the parent and everything inside of the children is a descendant. So yeah, this click detector would be a descendant of part. Point light would also be a descendant. So yeah, anything like inside of everything inside of a part is a descendant. So yeah, if we want to change the color, all right, so let's say this part is gray, right? We're gonna add a script. Please know that a script is a server script, okay? So basically this script will run for everyone, okay? If I put a local script, all right, so there's two different scripts. There's a local script and then there's a regular script. So local script, if I put a local script, only I will be able to see it. If I put a server script, then everybody in the game will be able to see it. So yeah, basically do not rely on the client, okay? So if you are doing like if you're making an admin panel, you can have some stuff on the client, like say they open up a GUI or whatever, but whenever they click that button, you want to send it to the server. So that's where remote events come into place. So remote events, they go into replicated storage. So we have remote event, remote function. I usually only use remote events because it's much easier. So if you want to do a remote event, you have to say local replicated storage equals game get service raid stream. What do you mean a raid stream? This ain't no raid. Yeah, I hope you get better, Ross. But yeah, so basically we're gonna say game get service, and we're gonna say replicated storage, okay? So that way we can get this remote event. My nose was bleeding earlier. Yeah, I hope you feel better, Ross. Yeah. So now we have to get the remote event. So you can call local whatever, okay? Local can be literally anything, all right? So I can do that. I can type anything. The only thing is that you have to, whenever you do this, you have to use it by its name, okay? So if I say this remote event, basically whenever I call this remote event, I have to use the name, okay? And then I can say fire client, and then you would pass in the player, so game, or you would just say player. But we have to so we have to do game dot players dot player added connect function, and then we have to say player. And we have to do that, and basically since we pass player as a parameter, so player is a parameter, we can say player in here, and then we can fire whatever values we want to pass to the player, we can just put in here. So I can say pass in a true value. So if we go on to the client, and we go in the starter player scripts, local script, we can say we have to say local replicate storage equals game get service replicate storage, and then we have to do this. You can call the remote event whatever you want. So my remote event equals replicate storage dot remote event. And then we're going to say my remote event dot on client event connect function, and then basically you're going to pass in whatever. So we can say whatever we want. We're going to say yes. I don't know. We're just going to say yes for the parameter, okay? And then we can say if yes equals true, then we can do whatever we want, all right? We can also do else, all right? So if else, and then so basically if it's not true, it's going to print no, okay? If it's true, it's going to print yes. All right, so we're going to say print yes. All right, so let me show you guys what strings are. So this is a string. If we zoom in, all right, so a string has quotations. All right, so double quotations or single quotations. So we can say yes with single quotations. Sometimes you can use backticks. So backticks are slanted. Um, but if you do it this way, I think you can also, I don't know if you can pass in, yeah, it doesn't work like that. So yeah, if you guys want to combine like values and stuff, we would use the dot notation, okay? So yeah, let's do yes, and we're gonna print no. All right, so if it's not true, we're gonna print no. Okay, so basically, whenever I join the game, it's gonna send to the client. It's gonna send this value. It's gonna say true. So we're checking on the client. Once they join the game, if it's true, we're going to print yes. If it's false, we're going to print no. So, if I join the game, you look at the output, okay, and look, it said yes. So yeah, that's how that works. Make sure you guys anchor your parts, okay? If you don't anchor your parts, I thought you got hacked. Yeah, that was a prank. That was a prank. That was my channel manager. So yeah, he's the one that did that. But make sure you anchor your part, or if you touch it, it's gonna move around. Okay. I'm gonna teach you guys a lot. Okay. We're gonna go through a lot. So if you wanted to do something, we're gonna work on server scripts. Okay. We're gonna work on server scripts. So all right, we're gonna do this. So if you do scripts, all right, if you do script, basically script means the script, right? So script is the script itself, basically. So this means self, right? It basically means self. That's what script means. If we do script dot parent. So it tells you, all right. So if you start typing it, it tells you right here what it is. So it tells you what the parent is. So the parent of script is part. So we're gonna press tab, and we're gonna say dot touched. All right. So if I touch it, we're gonna say hit. We're gonna say hit. All right. So basically, it's gonna do that. Local humanoid equals, yeah. So basically, this is what I like about AI. It basically tells you the answers. But we're gonna do this, and we're gonna get rid of this. All right, we're gonna get rid of that. So basically, you can make a kill part. If we touch it, we're gonna make the person explode. Okay, this is gonna be epic. Okay, so to insert explosion, what's up, bestie life? I'm not ignoring you. Okay, I'm just trying to explain what we're gonna do with this script. Okay. We're gonna make the player explode though. Okay. So to make an explosion, we're gonna say local explosion. Money developer, please Nitro to give away in Discord server. How about tomorrow? I'll do it tomorrow. Why you ignore my message in Roblox? Bro, I can't look at Roblox right now. Bestie life. I am working on coding, okay? I also had work earlier, so I'm trying to do a tutorial, okay? I'm not trying to ignore you. I was just when you were probably messaging me, I was working, okay? I don't even have Roblox opened. Let's see. Yeah, I don't see anything. I think I'm scared. All right. Yeah, are you hacking? Bro, hacking? No, I am not hacking people. I'm trying to show you guys something. All right, so explosion. We're gonna say local explosion equals instance dot new. All right, and we're gonna insert explosion. Okay. Um, and we can set the properties explosion. And then if we look through here, we can see all the explosions. All right, so we can say. We can choose the blast radius. All right, so this is going to be the effect. Oh my god. Yo, chat, what should the blast radius be? What should we put for blast radius?
9,000.
Should we put 1,000, chat? Blast radius equals. All right, we're gonna say 6,000. It's gonna be crazy, chat. Okay, and then also we're gonna make it where it does not destroy the map. So we're gonna say explosion type equals enum dot explosion type dot no craters. Okay, no craters. And now what else we're gonna do? We're gonna parent the explosion to the player. Okay. So we're gonna say explosion dot parent. Okay. We're gonna set it equal to hit dot parent. Okay. So the explosion is gonna literally destroy the player. Okay. Put it to 1,000. All right, I'll put it to 1,000. So we're gonna set it to 1,000, and whenever we touch this part, okay, I'm gonna set it anchored. So whenever we join the game and we touch that part, we're gonna go kaboom. AEW745. Yes, that's my username. That's my username. All right. So yeah, you guys ready for this? Are you guys ready? Should I touch it? Should I touch it, chat? Are you creating a Roblox game? No, I'm trying to teach you guys how to code, okay? So basically, we're going to make an explosion part. So when I touch it, I'm going to explode into a million pieces. Say goodbye. Say goodbye, chat. We're going to die. Oh! Oh my god, chat! Bro, you guys saw my head? My head went rolling, bro. My head went rolling. I want to join. Bro, it's not even published. It's not even published. All right, here we go. Boom. All right, let's increase it. Chat, we're going to increase it, okay? So if we go into the script and we change this to 60,000, okay? We're going to make it 60,000 blast radius. You should collab with Queso. Bro, I am not Queso. I am not like Queso unless I get a ton of Big Macs, you know? So yeah, we're gonna explode again, chat. We're gonna go in. We are going to go into outer space. Okay, I believe I can fly. Oh my god. Oh my god, chat. All right, we're gonna jump on it. We're gonna jump on it, chat. We're gonna jump on it. All right, we are gonna jump on it. Let's do this. Boom. Oh my god. All right. All right, chat. Here's the next thing we're gonna do. Okay. Um. What else? What else? What else? Oh. So with objects, you have to use click detectors to make it clickable. Okay. So if we do, all right, we need a click detector. So we're gonna say local click detector. Local click detector equals script dot parent dot click detector. All right, we're gonna say click detector dot clicked. No, we're gonna say yeah. Hold on. Dot mouse click connect function, and we're gonna pass in the player. Okay, so it's the player whoever clicked it. All right, we're gonna say player. Um, we're gonna say we're just gonna press tab. All right. And basically, we can make it do the same thing. We can make it do the same thing if we click on it, okay? So if we say local explosion equals instance.new, so instance.new basically makes a new thing, okay? I'm bored, bro. I'm just trying to teach you guys coding. I know it can be boring, but once you guys start coding, it will be fun because you guys can make your own game. I do have a game myself. I made Money Tycoon. I mostly coded everything myself. I had a few developers, but they kept breaking stuff, bro. Like they kept breaking stuff, and I go in and I fix it. So yeah, I had to keep fixing it. So let's do. Basically, you can insert anything. Okay, we can insert anything. We can insert a head. Oh, no, actually we can't. See, we can insert anything, chat. We can we can we can make a NPC. We can insert a NPC, chat. We can make a player. Wait. Oh my god, we can actually insert a player, chat. We can make our own player. Um we can also make a character. We can insert a person, bro. It's kind of weird, but wait, course. Wait, chat. Course sound effect. Does that play like a chorus? Try to make me laugh. There's one word. Kaboom! Kaboom! Stop glitching. What do you mean I'm glitching? All right, we're gonna put explosion. Okay. Wait, what was that other thing? Oh, invite options. All right, we're just gonna insert explosion. We're gonna say explosion dot blast radius. Oh my god, wait, chat, this is even better. Chat, this is even better. Blast pressure, okay? But a bit different. It's in Scratch. Yeah, this is Roblox Studio. So this is all Lua. Okay, so Roblox language is Lua. So I think, all right, so let's do blast radius. We're gonna say equals 60. We're gonna say blast pressure equals 10,000. All right, and then we're gonna say explosion dot parent equals char. Okay, if you don't know what char means, char is basically character, is just short for character. So bro, you ain't gonna leak my address, bro. Okay. You don't even know where I live. Um, So yeah. So character, like char is short for character, so if we touch it, chat, we're gonna die. Okay? We touch this part, we're gonna die. Say goodbye, chat. We are gonna die if we touch this. Oh, I forgot. It's click. It's click. I forgot. My bad. My bad, chat. I forgot. You have to click it now. I forgot I changed it to click. So if we click it, we're gonna die. What explosion was that? Chat, what explosion was that? Alright, we gotta change something. We gotta change something, chat. It did work. We gotta change this to 6,000. Bro, that explosion was weak. That explosion was weak. Bro, what kind of explosion was that? Alright. We gotta do this, okay? So if we click it. Bro, why is it so weak? Chat, why is it so weak? What? You know what, chat? We gotta make it stronger. We gotta make it stronger. How are we gonna make it stronger? Wait. Oh my god, thank you for subscribing, John Williams. Thank you so much, bro. I appreciate it. How are we gonna make it stronger, chat? What do we have to change? Yo, what's up, bestie life? What do we have to change to make this stronger? Because I don't think this is working. Wait. I have a better idea. If we do char.head, no, not head, wait, what if we do humanoid.parent.head? No, actually, wait. Wait. Hold on. I gotta find. Alright, I gotta find the head, chat. Where's the head at? Chat, why can't I find the head? Alright, hold on. Dun, 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 dun. Alright, we're gonna say find. Wait, actually, let's do this. Let's do find first child, and we're gonna say head, okay? We're just gonna say head. So basically, it's gonna explode my head off, okay? So if I click play and I click on this part, my head's gonna go boom. It's gonna be crazy, okay? So we're gonna explode our head. Alright, you ready, chat? You guys ready? We're gonna instantly die if I click on this. 3, 2, 1. Bro, that explosion is so weak. Bruh. Wait, maybe if I get rid of blast pressure. Chat. Maybe if I get rid of the blast pressure. Let's get rid of this. Blast pressure makes it so weak. I have no idea why, bro. Like, it's so weak. Why is it weak? Alright, you guys ready? You guys ready now? Alright, let's do this. See, bro, that's stronger. Oh my god, that is stronger than blast pressure. This is way stronger, chat. Bro, my body went in a million pieces. Alright, let's do 1 million. Do 1 million? Okay. Alright, chat, we're gonna do 1 million. So how many zeros is that? 1. All right, I think that's 1 million. All right, let's do it. Let's do it, chat. We're gonna get destroyed. We're gonna explode. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Bro, I'm still bouncing. Bro, look at my head. All right, chat. Enough of explosions, okay? We're gonna make it where. All right, we're gonna do another so game dot players player added connect function. I'm gonna teach you guys random, okay? So basically we're gonna do random colors. So we're gonna say player. Alright, so we're gonna say if player. Then we're gonna say script dot parent. We're gonna say brick color 3 equals color 3 dot new, and we're gonna say math dot random, okay? We're gonna say math dot random. Alright, so if we say math dot random, it's gonna do random numbers, okay? We're gonna say math dot random for all of this. So basically it's gonna do random colors, okay? Alright, so it's gonna be like rainbows. So watch this. Watch this, chat. So if we join the game. Okay, see, we got an error. Okay, we gotta fix this. We gotta fix this error, chat. So we gotta say we're gonna say color, okay? We're gonna try color and see if it works.
You can't win. You can't.
Bro, I am not ignoring you, okay, bestie life. I'm trying to teach the tutorial, okay? So if you look at this. Oh wait, chat. We gotta do this. Okay. We gotta do this. We're gonna say while true do, and then we're gonna say wait. Alright. What should we put the delay to? Chat, what should we put the delay to? So every few seconds it's gonna change to a different color, okay? So if we do while true, wait, and then we put in a time, let's do 5 seconds. Okay, so this is in seconds. So every 5 seconds, or you could do this. You could also do this. You can say while wait. Alright, we can say while wait 5 seconds, and then watch this. Whenever we join the game, it's gonna keep changing. So if we look at the part, it's black. It's black, chat. So look at it. It should keep changing. I don't think it's changing. Why is it not changing, chat? Why is it not changing, bro? Why is it not changing? Alright, hold on. Dun, 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 dun. Alright, we gotta do something. We gotta put in some numbers. Alright, we gotta say 1, 255. Alright, we gotta say 1 and 255, so that way it will do random colors. All right, there we go. All right, it should change now. Okay, the colors should change. See, look. Oh my God, chat, look, bro, it's changing. It's working. See, look, we made a rainbow part. Now, if we want it to go faster, we gotta change the delay. So this right here, we can change it to 1, all right, and it'll go much faster, okay? So if we put it on 1, it'll go much faster. If we put it 0.1, so you can use decimals. Decimals will make it go a little bit faster, but look at this. Yo, chat, bro, look at it. It's changing. It's changing colors. See, I see last member quiet kid, so we need hide user is quiet. Bro, we're not gonna hide quiet kid. We ain't gonna hide him because he's the latest member, bro. He's not the last member, he's the latest. Which means he's the most recent. Most recent member. Yo, chat, look. And then if we click on it, we die. Wait, what? Wait, what? Wait, what, chat? Wait. Oh, we can't die because I removed it. I removed the explosion. So yeah, that's how you make a rainbow part. Let me teach you guys about properties. So basically properties, we are changing the color. So if we go into the part, if you look in color, see this right here is the color. So part, then you go into properties over here where my mouse is. You look for a color, and we are changing this, okay? 2, 5. I'm trying to see what 2. Oh, that's white. So if you put all 255s, that's white, okay? If you guys want to know how to change the material, okay, so we can also make it alternate material. So if we say script.parent.material equals enum.material dot, and then you can say whatever material. So yeah.
Probably C.
We can make it change materials, okay? So yeah, what else are we gonna learn? Let's do for loops, okay? So if we say for I, v in pairs, we can say basically you can put anything here. So if we put game dot players, get players, do, we can say print v, okay, v dot name. So it's going to print all the players' names. So whenever I join the game, it's going to say AEW 745, or it should say it. Nope, it didn't do it. Alright, so we gotta do it in a command because we didn't wait until we joined the game. So we gotta say in pairs game players get players. So yeah, as you can see, it says AEW 745. So yeah, that's basically how we do for loops. So the I is index, okay? So I is index, V is value. So we can say basically if we do I, that's how many items are in the array. Hey, you read my bro, okay. Stop spamming. Stop spamming, bestie life. Okay. So if we want to list all the so if we want to list the descendants, it would say game dot workspace dot part. So basically game. So let me explain. So game is basically the game, okay? It is basically the entire game. It's like the root of the entire like explorer or whatever. Service basically. So I'm gonna teach you guys service. So we have players. We have places service. We have starter player. We have marketplace. We have all of this. All right. We have data store. So basically, if you want to save your game, you want to get the data store. So let's do some data stores. Okay. So we're gonna say data store service. Okay. Equals game get service data store service. Okay. And then you want to get your data store. So we can say you can call your data store whatever you want. I can say my data store. I can say band data store or band DS for data store. And then basically you say equals data store service get data store. This is your key, okay? This is your data store key. So we can say ban lists or whatever. This is private. Do not tell anyone what your data store name is or whatever, because then they can access your data. So yeah, basically you do that, and then whenever the player leaves, we're gonna say game.players.player removing. So basically before they leave the game, connect function player. All right. And then we're going to say local success error message equals pcall function. So basically this is going to make sure it works. And then we're going to say ban ds set async because we're leaving the game, so we're going to set the data. We're going to say so this is basically your key, okay? And then you're going to say dot player user ID, okay? So basically it's going to save it. It's going to save it to your user ID. Money, see how good yes, I do, bro. That's crazy. But yeah, so I hope you guys are getting a lot out of this video. I will keep trying to do more tutorials. So yeah, basically if success, then we're gonna say ban data was successfully saved. All right. But basically, you want to put some values. So whatever you want to save, okay? Make sure whatever you want to save, you put it right after the key. So if I have like a leaderboard or whatever, you want to put it here, okay? So yeah, you want to save any values, properties, values, whatever. And whenever you want to retrieve it, all right, we're gonna print an error has occurred when saving ban data. All right, and then we're gonna send a warning. We're gonna say error message. All right. Whenever the player joins the game, we're gonna say game dot players dot player added connect function player, and we're gonna say local data, and we're gonna say local success error message. All right, so basically when you do local, yo, what's up, Jake Gaming 201, so we're making this a global value, okay, or a variable. We're making this a global variable because that way we can get it outside of a function. So whenever we do pcall, it's like if we put it inside of this function, we won't be able to access it. Remember me? Yes, I do remember you. You've been in a lot of my videos. So yeah, welcome back. It was yes. I remember you. So yeah, we're gonna say data equals ban ds get async. Okay, so if we get async, we're getting the player's data, and we're gonna type in a key. So it's gonna be player user ID underscore, and we're gonna say dot player dot user ID. All right, and we're gonna say if success, then we're gonna do that. All right. You also want to check if data exists. Okay. We're gonna say print there was an error in retrieving data, ban data. Okay. And then we're gonna say warn error message. So then we're gonna say if data, then we're gonna say print data. That way we can see what the data is. So we're gonna say true. Okay, we're just gonna put a boolean value. So if you don't know what boolean values are, so true and false equals boolean. All right, so boolean means that true or false, which is on or off. 0 through 10 equals number. Okay. This or this equals string. Okay, so boolean, number, string, and trying to think. Am I missing something? So boolean, string, number. Yeah, I think that's it. So this is a string, so all of these are strings. 0 through whatever number is a number. Okay, so any of these are numbers. True and false is a boolean. So yeah, That's basically what you need to know about coding. And yeah, so whenever we join the game, all right, so we're gonna join the game, and oh, you have to publish the game. So yeah, data stores don't work unless the game is published. So if the game's not published, data store won't save anything. So make sure you go to file. Make sure you click on publish to Roblox and just give it a name. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Any questions? Do you guys want to learn anything specific about coding? Let me know if you guys want to know anything specific. So yeah, basically you mostly want to have server scripts inside a server script service. There is module scripts, okay? Module scripts is basically like tables, settings. So yeah, it's very useful for like settings and stuff like configs. So yeah, is there anything you guys want to learn? There's data stores. I taught you guys data stores. Try to get a really good game. What do you mean, bro? My game is good. I do have a good game. Yes, I do remember you blocks rolling. Show people my channel. Okay, fine. Alright, I'll show you. Alright, guys. Make sure you guys go sub the Bestie Life. So here's the link to their channel. And make sure you guys click the subscribe button. And yeah, make sure you watch her videos. Bloopers. Okay. So make sure you guys go subscribe to Bestie Life. She makes a lot of like funny videos. She plays Dress to Impress. You're still demoted. What do you mean? Alright. So make sure you guys go check out Bestie Life. Alright, so let me get back into this. So yeah, basically you put all your values here. You can use a table to put more values. So if you use a table, you can put even more values right here. So a table. Let me actually teach you guys about tables, okay? So to make a table, we're gonna say local my table equals, and then basically you do curly brackets. Okay, curly brackets is a table. You can say is like, let's do a band table. Okay, we're gonna say user name equals blank, and then basically you want to do this. So we're making a table. We're gonna say user ID equals, and then we can put the user ID there. And yeah, basically you just make a table, and we can say is band equals false. And yeah, that's basically a table. If we want to call the table, we can say my table, and then you just put dot notation, and you can say all of this. All right, you can pick one. And yeah, that's pretty much how you do that. Okay. Any questions before I end the stream? Because I have to go to bed. I have to eat. eat, and go to bed. Can you please learn how to Bro, Ross, be nice. Okay, anybody want to learn something specific? Do you guys want to learn leaderboards or... Because I can literally, like, coding takes a long time, okay? It's pretty easy, self-explanatory, so basically, if you guys didn't understand, basically, let me do this again. So, basically, you want to type in game. You always want to type in game to find something, okay? We always use game because that's the root. And then basically, you can use any of this. So you can see who owns the game. So yeah. Creator type. Alright. Why are there so many members in this stream? I have no idea. I have no... Bro, why you delete its message? Okay. So, basically, you just say game. And basically, if your part's in workspace, you're gonna say game.workspace, and you're gonna look for the part, so game.part, and you can name this whatever. So if I change this to epic part, if I say workspace dot, and we're gonna say epic part because that's the name of the part. So every time you use a dot notation, it goes inside of, like, so every time you use a dot, so if you put a period, so press period, it goes inside of this item, okay? So if I say epic part dot, it's gonna go inside of the part. So if I say script, it's gonna look for that script, okay? You can also go in the properties. So if you use a dot, you can also go into the properties. So you have access to the properties, plus you also have access to whatever's inside of it. So if we want to look for, let's see, if we want to look for can collide, so you look for the properties can collide, so you say can collide, and then you can say equals, and you can tell if it's a boolean. If it's a boolean, you'll see a check mark. So all of these, alright, all of these that have a check mark right here, I don't know if you guys can see that, but anything that has a check mark, okay, check mark equals boolean. So yeah, that's going to be a false or true. True or false value. If it has a drop down, well, this doesn't have a drop down, but if it has a drop down, that means like this. That means it's an enum, okay? Enum value has a drop down menu. So anything with a drop down is a enum, okay? So yeah, we can say false, and if we say false, basically, so can collide means that I'm gonna donate 19.99. Yo, thank you so much, Pop Gamer. All right, tomorrow, okay, bet I'll stream tomorrow. Tomorrow we're gonna do some gameplays, okay? So if you set this to false, basically you can walk right through the part. So yeah, it makes it where basically it doesn't. It's like, so if you make like a door, like a secret door, basically if you set can collide to false, basically you can walk right through it, okay? You can walk right through right through the part, okay? So yeah. That's pretty much it. Any questions? You guys want to learn anything else about scripting? Because yeah, I don't really know what else to teach. I can also do tutorials on like or videos on me working on my game. How to make a flying car. So that one is going to be more complicated. So first of all, you want to have a car, okay? If you want to make a flying car, you got to add like gotta add all of these what's it called? So I don't think you can add it, but it should be in here. It's some kind of alright, you have to do it by script. So basically if you type instance.new, I forgot what it's called, chat. It's some kind of booster. It's like a rocket or something. I'm trying to find it. Let me look it up.
Skin sand.
Yeah, I don't know what it's called, chat. I can't even look it up if I don't know what it's called. It's something that you I'm trying to think. What is it called, chat? Alright, I'll see you later, Jake Gaming. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. It like they removed it from like the like you can't find it in objects. You have to insert it from a script. So if you say instance.new, it's gonna add it. And then you have to say parent. So oh wait, maybe it's it's body force. That's what it's called. It's called body force. So body force and body thrust is what you want, okay? So you add this to the car. You can't really find this in the objects menu, but basically you want to add body velocity, body force, and body thrust, okay? That's gonna make your car fly, okay? So body force is going to make your car go fast, okay? So whenever it's flying, it's going to go fast. And body thrust is so basically you can basically maneuver it, okay? And velocity is like how fast it goes, okay? So yeah, that's basically what you need. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Any other questions? Buy Money Developer, buy Jake Gaming. Get tool about use car, and then you're gonna start flying. Bro, you just gotta sit in the car, okay? So you gotta insert, so there's a thing called a vehicle seat. So you wanna add a vehicle seat. So basically you just sit on it, and yeah, basically you want to weld this. So if we do this, we do model, and you're gonna click on these constraints right here. We're gonna create a weld. All right, so you're gonna click on weld, so that way we weld it to the part. Okay, so that way it's attached. Okay, so if you weld it, it's attached to the part, so the part won't disappear from the seat, and you just sit in it and you can make it fly. Okay, I'll do another video on a flying car eventually later, but not right now. I know someone had a question about Adonis admin. So Adonis admin, okay? If you guys want admin in your game, and you want to customize it, So I'm gonna be answering this question right here. Alright, I'm gonna be answering this question. How do I set up where the rank moderator can only use commands to himself? Okay, I'm gonna answer this question. So in order to make it where a rank moderator can use commands only to himself, you have to do this. Okay, so we're gonna open up Toolbox. Okay, so once you open up Toolbox, you're gonna look for Adonis admin, and we're gonna look for the main module. All right, we're gonna look for the main module, and we're gonna insert the main module into the game. You're gonna see a bunch of stuff. Okay, so once we insert this, we're gonna look for models. Okay, I asked my mom, and I asked my mom, my credit card is today, Monday, and I will donate you. Oh, thank you so much, bro. I really do appreciate it, but make sure, like, you don't have to do that. Just make sure you save your money, cause yeah. Uh, so yeah, you want to get the main module, okay? And you can basically edit the main module. Bro, why is it taking forever, chat? Chat, why is it taking forever? Alright. So we're gonna look for the main module. Forgot where it's at. Alright, so I have a copy. So if you guys can't find it, I have a copy of the main module. I think it's just called main module, I'm pretty sure. Alright, so basically this is the main module, okay? So when you insert the main module, it's going to insert all of this, okay? You're going to have all these parts. There's going to be the kidnapper van, um, the clowns and stuff. It's going to have all of this, whatever this thing is, a UFO. It's going to have that guy. I don't know what all of this stuff is. So basically, we don't have to worry about any of this, okay? We're going to go into server. You're going to open up commands, and you're going to look for, you're going to look for moderator, okay? And basically, oh my god. So basically it's gonna say for IV in service, get players. So you're gonna change the argument 1. Alright, so argument 1. You're gonna basically make this, you're gonna change it to yourself. So yeah, alright. So basically you can change the commands to yourself. Why is this? Alright. So it's gonna get players, and you're gonna look for the command. So this is the command. So there's ESP. Alright, so we have, this is a kit command, ESP, on ESP, and this is the admin level. Okay, so can also Let me see what player's command is. Hmm. Yeah, I'm trying to look. So basically, you want to look at players commands because player commands is basically to yourself. So if you look at this, it's gonna be towards yourself. So yeah, basically you want to copy this. So it's gonna send it to the current player. Okay, so whatever player is making the So you wanna pass in player. So when we do moderators, we're gonna put in player for whatever thing it does. Okay, so we're gonna get rid of the for loop. Okay, so because it loops through all the players, we're gonna get rid of the for loop. Um, and yeah, because it's basically looking through all the players in the game. So like you see, get players. We're not going to be getting player. Okay, we're not going to be looping through all the players. We're just going to say so. This V right here is the player. So we're gonna change this, or we're gonna get rid of this. Okay, and basically it'll only send you a notification. Or yeah, so that's how you make moderator commands only to yourself. You just gotta go in here, and once you're done, okay, once you are done, you're gonna right click. You're gonna right click the main module right here. You're gonna click save to Roblox. All right, click save to Roblox. Once you upload it, it's gonna give you the ID. Okay, it's gonna give you the ID of the main module, and you're gonna get regular Adonis. Okay, so we're gonna get regular Adonis. So you're gonna look up Adonis admin, and we're gonna insert this one. Okay, and you're gonna open it up. You're gonna go into loader. You're gonna open up the loader script or config. No, not config. Yeah, not config. We're gonna open up loader. Okay, and we're going to scroll down. We're going to look for module ID. All right, so you're going to change the module ID to whatever module you publish. So main module, if I publish this to Roblox, you're going to put in that ID right here. You do have to be the owner. You do have to be the owner of the game for this to work. So yeah, you can change the module ID, and whatever you change in the main module, it will go to your loader. So whenever you play the game, you will have your own custom Adonis admin. So if you know what you're doing, you can actually fully customize this. So they have module scripts, so you just gotta change any of this code. So yeah, what are you making? I'm just doing a tutorial on like coding. I am trying to answer this question. So this question right here. How do I set up where the ranked moderator can only use commands to himself, so that you have to open up commands and you have to go to moderators. All right, because this is all the moderator commands. And you just gotta find the command. So like it tells you the command right here. So there's kick, there's ESP. It tells you all the command names. Notification, slow mode, countdown. This is basically how you hack Adonis. Okay, I'm not trying to encourage it, but basically Adonis admin is fully customizable if you get the main module. So I'll send you guys the main module. and you can basically customize Adonis admin, make it become your own, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So here's the warnings, warn commands. You just look for the command, and you just have to know like basic coding knowledge. So right here is getting all the players. So it's looking for all the players in the game, and it's trying to get the player. Okay. So if you want to make it for yourself, you got to get rid of these loops. Okay. So these loops right here, I'm gonna say looping through all the players. Delete. Okay, so if you delete this, it's gonna not loop through the players, but you can actually get yourself. Okay, so we can right here we're gonna say player. Okay, we're gonna say player, so that way we get ourselves. So you can also keep the loops. You can keep the loops, but you're gonna want to change V to player. So anything that says V like this, you're gonna change it to player. Okay, so that way it gets yourself. Okay, if you put player, it only works for yourself. It doesn't work for anyone else. So yeah, I did say I was gonna do a tutorial on that comment, and yeah, that's how you change all the commands to yourself. You just gotta wherever it says V, you gotta put player. Okay, so PLR. Change V to PLR, and once you're done changing that, all you gotta do is go to main module, right click, save the Roblox, and yeah, basically save it to Roblox. Then it will give you an ID. Then you get the actual Adonis. You go into loader. You go to loader script, and you scroll down until you see main module ID or module ID, and you want to put the ID right here. Then once you do that, you publish the game, and boom, it works. It works. So as long as you own the game, okay. If you don't own the game, you're gonna want to publish. So if your group owns the game, so if it's a group game, you want to publish the main module to the group, okay? So whenever we click save the Roblox, we're gonna choose model, and for the creator, you're gonna choose your group, okay? So you pick your group if it's a group game. If you're the creator, you click on me, okay? So you click me, and you just save it. And yeah, that's it. Any questions? Any more questions, chat? Oh, and once you do that, you can get rid of main module, okay? You can just click delete, okay? And then all you gotta do is delete thumbnail camera, and then you have a custom admin. You have custom admin in your game. So yeah, that's how I edit my admin. I just get the main module, I edit the code, and I save it to Roblox. I get the ID, I change the loader ID, and boom, I have my own Adonis admin. So thank you guys for watching. Then I asked my mom my credit card is Friday, and then I will buy donates. Are you agree? Sure. That's fine. Can you make a tutorial on how to firearms? Yeah, I'll do that later. Okay, I'll make a tutorial on how to make firearm. Well, basically, I don't do modeling. Okay, I don't model. So if you guys want to learn modeling, this is not the video or channel for you guys. I am sorry. I only do scripting. I do scripting and building. That's pretty much it. I don't do any modeling or anything like that. I can teach you guys how to make GFX. That's about it. But I mostly do scripting, okay? I do scripting tutorials. I can help you guys learn how to code. I can teach you guys JavaScript. So yeah, that's how I make my bot. I make my Discord bot in JavaScript, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And then basically you just publish your game to Roblox. All right, I'll see you guys later. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe if you guys enjoyed. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace. My bad, chat. I have to restart the outro because I forgot the comment was still up there, so I'm gonna replay the outro. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.